Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to verify TapTap Send. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To verify TapTap Send account, what you need to know is verification ensures account security, legal compliance, and lets you send higher amounts with default limit lifted once approved. So what you need to do is simply head over to your TapTap Send app, and then once you're inside there, log into your account. Then look for a prompt like upload ID or navigate to the menu. Then simply tap on account on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on account. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select upload documents. Then follow the guided flow like photograph or upload your ID, and then take or upload a clear selfie. Once done, simply tap submit, and TapTap uses a secure third-party identity checker to process your data. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.